Welcome to my first video on installation of SIESTA. SIESTA is a basically density functional theory based code for simulating zero dimensional, one dimensional, or multi-dimensional materials. And it's freely available, and this software is available on this website, and this is the link to download it. So if you right click on the link and open a terminal, say I want to install SIESTA inside some directory, test directory. So what I will do, I'm just telling you that how SIESTA can be downloaded in command line, or you can download it directly. So this is a command which help us to download it. Means the path of the file. So I copied it from here simply by clicking right click and the copy link address and pasted it here, and SIESTA will be downloaded in time of around minute. Or in few seconds depending upon bandwidth availability. Now if I give ls command, ls is the list of contents inside the file. So now in my test directory only this zipped file is there. So we can unzip it by giving a command tar -xvf SIESTA, and it will be unzipped. See now, so this is the command which I used here to unzip it, and now it is unzipped, means SIESTA is inside the directory. So go to SIESTA, right? Go to SIESTA, and if I go inside it, so see the various files. It contains documentation, it contains certain examples, there are certain tutorials, and there are utilities which are used to pre and process the data. Means pre and post processing tools are inside it. So for installation, you go to obj directory, right? If you go inside the obj directory, then you have to give the command sh // capital src, means I am coming outside it object directory and going inside this src directory, and then I give the, or sorry, not give, but I run the script. This script is inside src, you can see it also. So right, so I have to run this script, and space should be there for new beginner, I'm mentioning, right? So what it will do, the compilation, basic compilation will be done, and it will make various directories. Now what I will do, as suggested here, because my compiler is the gfortran, so what I will do, I copy gfortran.make with the name arc.make, right, as suggested here, and then give a command make, and it will compile SIESTA for us, and it will take 4 to 5 minutes. If all the required files or the libraries are installed properly, then SIESTA will be installed in 4 to 5 minutes. Let us wait and watch. So see, in few minutes SIESTA will be installed. If I see here, no error was shown here, and if I give a command ls, then you can see SIESTA executable. See, this is somewhere here. SIESTA executable should be here. Okay, let me reduce the size. Then I will tell you using command line. So here it is SIESTA executable, right? This is SIESTA executable. And you can also see it by giving ls si star. So it will show all the files which are starting with si. So it is SIESTA executable. And one thing you have to do, you have to copy this SIESTA executable from here to usr, local, and bin, and from everywhere you can run SIESTA by giving simply command SIESTA, right? So this is one thing that you have to do, right? So this is a command so that SIESTA can be run from everywhere. On my system, the command is SIESTA underscore par because I named it with this name. So this is a way that how SIESTA is installed, because it is already installed. But and you, if you want to check whether SIESTA is installed or not, you give a command /SIESTA in the directory in which it is installed. So if you give this command, it will display this message that it is installed in the serial mode and which compiler it has used. So thanks for watching this video. In other videos, I will try to show you that how SIESTA will work and used to understand various materials. And thanks again.